James.
Yeah. You ready for some car bombs? Too bad we're not going back to St. Thomas. Only LA.
We should.
Only LA.
Let's go from LA to St. Thomas.
All right, we're heading to LA. Good stuff, good stuff. Gonna celebrate the Simca engagement party. Jennifer, you want to make a cameo appearance? No? Why not? Make a cameo appearance. Man, baby. Man, baby. Car bombs?
Car bombs?
Car bombs? No, you gotta it's oh, you missed the perfect opportunity. 5.5 hours. Oh, roughing it. I need a Global Express. I need a Global Express, a G550. All right. James, I heard you got upgraded. You want 6A? You want my pass? 6A?
If I want you to be miserable the whole time, no.
You could be called Pipe for 5.5 hours.
Do I want you to be miserable
You could be called Pipe for 5.5 hours.
I'd rather not come.
Oh, I'm already happy. I'm 3 double Grey Goose on the rocks with lime into it already. Oh, trust me, I'm good.
Flying more than the actual place we're going to.
I know. We spend more time. We spend more time at the airport. Like I know the bartender's name at the Sky Club.
Yeah, no,
that's
it's
like-
not
That's like
normal.
sad. Oh, it's horrible. What the fudge is on this rooftop? What the hell? There's a lot of them out there. These ugly brown things. I think they need Mikey Pipes in Beverly Hills. Oh my God. Those things look hideous. This is a shippy day out there. Even the palm trees look depressed too, Jennifer. They do.
Do your people know it's your birthday today?
No, I'm not talking about that. Unbelievable, horrible weather here, and I'm here until Sunday afternoon, and it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days. Well, time for breakfast.
If you have a tissue in your pocket, your tissue, sit or tissue in your pocket.
Your key.
If you don't know about it,
Key.
not care. Why do you need it? One, you don't need a carrier. Two, the only thing you need carrier is your collars, but you don't have a collars.
No. I have a shop sitter. If anybody had a tissue in their pocket, a piece of gum that you're not allowed to carry.
Why do you care?
No, because I asked him about the box of matzah. It's like it's not Pesach.
You know,
making an
sometimes I
aircut
think
serious.
stuff is mishigas, but if it doesn't affect me,
Oh, I asked, and he's telling me, so I have to now. Knowledge is power.
So we're making an air serious.
Mike, I love them.
You love this, right? You're gonna go on the Mikey Pipes Jewish channel. Yes.
Appreciate it. So today we're going to be making an air serious. We have to rent all of the open space in this hotel for religious purposes from the manager.
You spoke to. Well, we're at the Beverly Hills Marriott.
Yes.
We're not staying at the Four Seasons, unfortunately. The Beverly Wilshire. We should be staying there, but that guy right there is too cheap. Anyway, so you're gonna speak to the hotel manager, and he's gonna rent out all the areas to you, at least amount for a day.
Yeah.
26 hours,
Yeah.
25 hours.
Yep.
And you're gonna give him $5.
I'm going to give him $4. Yeah.
$4.
Because there has to actually be a transaction. But a verbal transaction.
It's a verbal transaction.
Yeah.
And then we can carry inside the hotel.
And then we also have to all become partners in this box of matzah. I'm going to keep this box of matzah in my room, and I'm going to allow you to become a partner in this box of matzah.
Finding a source for anything.
Moshe and the raw. Okay, Mr. Brewer. It's just I learn it every single day with Rav Schefter. We're learning here with Aaron. Call any of and so we're all
So we're all partners. We own the box together. Or is
Yes,
it like,
exactly. That's the point. It has to be accessible to all of us.
But if it's in your locked room.
No, but my room's not going to be locked. And even if it's in my locked room, as long as I'm around, that you'll be able to get it.
Okay, now what happens if we eat the matzah?
So that's a big thing. So as long as it's available,
Yes.
bein hashmashos, which is essentially this iffy period between sundown and between sunset and when it gets dark outside. So as long as it's available to everybody during that time, there has to be a certain amount of food in this box of matzahs that technically.
Look at this, he's giving a nice Devar Torah
They
here.
hold that each for enough for 2 meals for a maximum of 18 people, which they end up saying nowadays is, I know it sounds little, but it's like 4 matzahs. We do a full box of matzahs. And so when we all become partners in this, and I keep it in my room, that allows you to then come to carry things from your room to my room. And
But what happened? We're going like tomorrow or this evening. We're walking around.
What about it?
The matzah's in your room. It's not with us.
But as long as but so we need it for inside the hotel.
What about when we're outside the hotel?
When we're outside the hotel, there's an Eruv around the entire Los Angeles. That's like the string Eruv. You know the string Eruv?
So we don't need one inside the hotel then?
No, we also need one inside.
Why?
Because it's a little complicated to say that this is
You don't have-
different. This is a different courtyard essentially. That we're in our
But
own.
we're inside the Eruv.
No, we're not because the Eruv is. You do in a hotel.
No. This is going on the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel. We're doing an Erev Shabbat Devar Torah with Matthew. Matthew, by the way, he's a son from another mother.
This is true.
This is awesome. He's a great guy, and we wish him parnasa, simchas, and just having a good time.
You as well, Mike.
Amen. You see, and this further strengthens the fact that you learn something new every day. Who knew that a box of matzah will allow you to carry things inside this hotel as long as you make a deal with the hotel manager? It seems like we can make the deal with the hotel manager and call it a day.
No, because then we're still not partners.
We're still not partners, but we are partners.
No, because the food has to be accessible.
Okay, very nice. You know what's also very nice? This morning I woke up New York time, 7 o'clock New York time. It was 4 o'clock here, and I realized I know how I am going to promote the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy channel and the pipesforfree.org charitable organization. I emailed local Kiwanis organizations in Valley Stream, the 5 towns, and West Hempstead and some of that.
This is at
And
4 o'clock in the morning.
4 o'clock in the morning, right? I realized, and I emailed all these Kiwanis Club presidents on Long Island.
What's the Kiwanis Club?
Because they're a non-denominational. I'm telling you, it's a non-denominational, no religion affiliation organization where they help people in the community. Right, just volunteers helping people in the community. It's like your father, Kalman, who's the president of the South Shore Neighbors Helping Neighbors Community Chess Organization, which literally is a great, valuable asset in the 5 towns of Long Island. Yes, I am. Yes, but Matthew, that's how I'm going to promote it. And you're going to help me too. Check it out, pipesforfree.org, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Organization, a registered. Well, not registered yet. We filed an application for a 501c3 charitable organization status with the IRS. We're going to make moves together, and together we're going to make the trades great again. Are you ready to light things up?
Should I open it and do it?
No, don't do it. No,
I shouldn't drop
I'm
it.
gonna put it in Jake's coffee. What do you think?
It's not so spicy.
Tabasco? I know it's not. We like things spicy, like Latinas chicas. You know what's You know what's crazy?
What's crazy?
This is crazy.
That is crazy.
That is crazy. That is epic.
You're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.